Hello friends! Today we will prepare an incredibly delicious, light dessert with a delicate milk coconut flavor. Minimum calories. Eat even at night and do not be afraid to gain weight. So to prepare it, first mix 2 3/4 teaspoons Agar Agar powder with 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix until smooth. Pour 4 1/4 cups of milk into a saucepan. Add our Agar Agar and mix well. For a special taste of the dessert, add 4 tablespoons of coconut flakes to the milk. .3 ounces sweetened condensed milk. Mix well and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Place on the stove over medium heat. Cook, stirring constantly. When the milk is almost boiling, add 3.5 ounce white chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted. Let the mixture simmer for 3 minutes over low heat. Stir and pour into a silicone mold. Set aside our dessert until completely cooled and solidified. When the dessert is completely cooled, mix in 2.5 ounces of white chocolate, 2 tablespoons of hot milk. Mix until smooth. If you like no-bake dessert recipes that are delicious, light, and easy to make, subscribe to my channel. The chocolate glaze is ready. We take out our milk dessert and sprinkle it with coconut flakes on all sides. We pour chocolate glaze on top. We sprinkle toasted sliced almonds. We pour thick chocolate glaze on top again. Believe me, it's very tasty. And the most important thing is that it is prepared very quickly, and you can eat it even overnight without worrying about extra pounds. Enjoy it and see you in the next video.